Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a welcome message when someone joins your server on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Discord button down below on the left side corner of the screen. After that, click on the server image at the top on the left side. Click on the More button next to the server name at the top. Click on Settings. After that, click on the first option, which is Overview within the Settings section. Scroll down to the System Messages settings, and here you can find four system messages. Or system message settings. So click on the first one if you want to send a welcome message when someone joins your server by clicking on this button on the right side next to it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.